Welcome to ClearTask. If your Amazon account has been temporarily locked, this usually happens due to unusual payment activity or an automated security flag. Here is exactly how to recover your access. Begin by checking the email address associated with your Amazon account. Search your inbox and spam folder for an account alert from Amazon. In most cases, they provide a secure link to upload a recent billing statement to verify your identity. Submitting this document is the fastest way to resolve a locked account. If you did not receive an email, simply wait 24 to 48 hours without trying to log in. Many automated security locks are temporary and will lift automatically after this cooling off period. If the automated recovery options fail, your best approach is to call Amazon customer service directly. Search for the Amazon customer service hotline specific to your region. Speaking with a representative will allow them to manually verify your identity over the phone and restore your access. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech solutions.